Hey everybody, it's Dustin and G is here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time, it's on the rear view camera. Now, when you go into reverse, this screen's going to pull up automatically. Now, depending on how your Mini is equipped, you will always have sensors on the back, and some of our Minis actually have sensors on the front. But if you don't see this kind of design on the front of the car, you just have sensors on the back. And basically, when an object is there, it'll do green kind of color, and then yellow, and then red. Red is right up close near the car, and you definitely need to slow down or stop. Now the left side is a series of different symbols. So this is to actually look at the rear view camera on or off. This is your brightness, contrast, and then if you want the parking aid lines. Now the parking aid lines, so green is real time with the steering wheel. As you turn the steering wheel, the green turns. And then the red is an extreme angle right or left. And if you didn't like that, you could just click this and you take it off. And then below that, you got obstacle marking. Now, if the car reads actual obstacles, objects, it will actually put boxes on the screen to show you depth perception. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your new Mini.